ready?
Welcome back again for another video, and for this video I'll show you the another way of getting the Dragon Ball Super exclusive rate coupon. So the Dragon Ball Z exclusive rate coupon is used to have a free draw to get the Dragon Ball characters. So that Dragon Ball characters is a mythic character here in PUBG Mobile. You use that exclusive rate coupon to draw here. So instead of using UC, you'll use the crate coupon. So as you can see here, I have one. So you use that to have one of these. So if you're lucky enough, you'll get Goku, Super Saiyan, Vegeta, and Frieza, and the voice packs. You can have that exclusive crate coupon if you, as you can see here, there's the crate coupon, exclusive crate coupon, and if you go here, another one, and here, and all of this is free. So you can get this for free just to accept all the challenges here. If you finish the challenge here, you'll get coins, and once you get coins, go here and you can see that's how you get Dragon Ball Z exclusive rate coupon. Once you acquire all of this Dragon Ball exclusive rate coupon, just go to this and click open one time, but instead of using UC, you'll use the exclusive rate coupon. So hopefully you get lucky and get the Dragon Ball characters. So, and by the way, the Dragon Ball Z event will last on September 4. So you have to complete all the challenges to acquire the exclusive rate coupon in order to have a chance of getting mythic Dragon Ball characters. Yes! Oh, Frieza! Another one. Goku. Vegeta, Goku. Dalayan na lang. Goku lang, Goku. Please, Goku. Vegeta. Goku, Vegeta. Wala. At least. That's all, and I hope you learned something from this video. And if you like this video, click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials like this one and do-it-yourself tutorials or DIY tutorials. That's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.